Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's model this window. And of course we are going to make it parametric, so we can change the width, the height, and and probably we can change that's it. Okay, so let's actually I did this I just had a try. So this is it. So window family, we can change the height and the width. Okay, so let's start. So first we're going to create a new family. So we're going to use the window we're going to use this template. Okay, so first let's have a look. Okay, so first we need some reference plans. So to just double check, so these are the default reference plans we have in a window template. So sill height, head height, width, which all good. So next we need some extra reference plans. Okay, so I think one is this one, so where this vertical member meet this curved member, so at this point, so we need this reference plan. We also need a reference plan for this horizontal member and also this one. And yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's do it. So reference plan RP, so this is where the vertical member meet the curved member. Okay, so vertical frame. And then we need another reference plan and another one, so we three. Okay, so we're going to add some dimension. So because this is a default, so we don't need to add width. So if we go to floor plan, so you can see it's already here, there. So equal and a width. So if you add more here, you will over constrain it. Okay, so so what we're going to do is I think so it's also up to you. You can add a dimension from this reference plan up, so it will be and also you can offset from the top, so it's all up to you. So maybe I will just add this dimension, so and then I'll just call it H1. Okay, so H1 is where the vertical member frame meet the curved frame. Okay, so yeah, type is fine. Okay, so the next one, so this one, so maybe you can make it parametric, but I think I'll just make it fixed. Just give it a number. So for example, 150. And also for this reference plan, I think I will because this one looks, this one's not in the center, but I think it will look better if it might look better if I have this in the center. So I will just add an equal dimension. So okay, so now what I'm going to do is for this frame, they are very basic one. So I'm going to use sweep to create this frame. Okay, so we will need profiles. So it's easier to use profile family. So let's create a profile family. So family and profile pay here. So yeah, probably just this one, generic. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to create some reference plan. So I'm not going to center to these two reference plans. I'll just offset from this one. Okay, so add dimension, and also these need to be centered. So I'll call this one maybe W1. Okay, I'll call it this W1, and need to be type parameter. So and create this one. So W2, also type parameter. So now we can place some line. I'll just use rectangle and lock. Oops. Okay. Oh, sorry, too fast. Lock and lock. So now we have this profile. So we can also add some type here. So create a new type. So let's call it maybe I'm going to use maybe 50 by 100 for the frame, window frame. So for this one, the brown color one, and maybe create a smaller frame. So this one will be 50 by 100. Okay, so apply and then click on this again. So this time we create a new, maybe this time I'm going to create a, maybe just 50 by 50, so make it easier, and 50, and apply, and okay. So now we have two. So in this family, so there are two types. Oh, sorry, this one, family types. One 50 by 50, 150, the other one's 50 by 100. So now we can load this into and we can start to create those frame. But before that, I want to use sweep, and so we will need some reference line, especially when we need to do curves. Yeah, so I think it's good to create some reference lines. So okay, so let's hang on. Let's go to floor plan. I'm going to create these reference lines on this reference plan. So this will make it easier for me to create those sweep. I can directly pick a reference line or pick edge when creating sweeps. So let's do it. So first go set world plan, pick a plan, and pick this reference plan. So make sure you pick this reference plan. Do not pick the center of the wall. Okay, so this is the center of the wall. Not sure the difference, but yeah, I'll just do the reference plan. And then I'll go to elevation, and then I'm going to draw reference line. I will uncheck the chain, so make it easier to lock onto the reference plans. And yep, all good. So I'll just draw a line from, so I think it's this one, H1, so where the vertical meet the curve. So I'll draw one, and straight away you can lock them onto the reference plan. So same, another one here, so lock, and another one lock here. Oh, they're stacked together. Okay, so another one here, and the lock. Now we need a curve. Okay, so let's go use a start and arc. Start from this point, and now you need to find this tangent. So see this, and lock this one. Okay, so lock this one, and don't worry about here, because when we change the width, this will change. But another one here, from this to here, go up a tangent, lock, and then that's it. So now if I type WF, so you can see through this wall, you can see this is the shape. So don't worry about this, because when we change the width, so I just change the width here, so for example 600, and it become more like that. And also we can adjust the H1, so maybe I'll just reduce height, so now more like this shape now, right? Okay, so now let's create the frame. So I'm going to do it in 3D view. Okay, so and also you can HH the wall, but I'll just leave it there. So create sweep. So I'm going to use pick path because we already have all these reference lines. So pick path, and I'll just I'll see if I can tab. Looks like we can't, so maybe just pick them manually. Okay, so now these are the path, and then we can place the profile. So finish, we can find them here because we already load these profiles. So I'm going to use 50 by 100. Okay, so it looks like it's rotated by 90 degree, but don't worry, we can type in 90 degree. So that's it. So now if I check finish it, so this is it. Okay, so a frame. And so you can have a test. So if I change the size, so 800, it should follow maybe 1.8. Yeah, all good. 750, all good. Okay, so now we need to create another one, so smaller one, and we can do it exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is Control C, okay, and then align to same place, edit sweep, and I'm going to change the frame. So select profile, change the profile, and also we need to offset this. So because this frame is 50 by 100, we need to let me guess which one. Maybe try this one, 50. Wrong one. Oh, actually it's the correct one, but we need to be -50. So now you can see -50 just sit inside the external frame. Finish it, and we have another frame. And just have another test. 800. Oh, looks like we have some issue here because I think the copy and paste method, we need to it just lost the constraint. Okay, so that's fine. So we can just edit sweep and edit this. Let's click on this pick path again. We just need to delete all these and just need to pick again. Okay, so pick 3D edge and then go back to pick the reference line. So let me just type WF so it's easier to find the reference lines. Start from here, go all the way around. Yep, that's all. And finish, and that should be it. So type HL and maybe SD. Yeah, that's better. So let's have a test of, let's just flex it a little bit more. Yeah, all good. 700. Yeah, it works. 600. Yeah, so now these frames work. Okay, so next, okay, the horizontal is very simple, vertical is very simple. These not hard. So let's just finish the easiest part first. Okay, so go to elevation. So the first one will be here. So start from here to here. Let me think. Yeah, we should be able to use sweep, but okay. So let's try. Actually, I'm going to place reference lines again. Okay, so let's do it. So I'll just HH the frame, and then we just need to place reference lines. So reference line, and just double check the current work plan. So it's a center from back, which is correct. So and then just draw reference line on the reference plane. Okay, so start from here to here and just lock it. Another one here to here and lock, and another one vertical. So from here to here. Okay, so and lock. So now those curved one from here to here. So it's actually what we can do is see here. So at the same height. So this one go all the way up to here, and this one's go all the way. We can just connect this point to somewhere here. So what we can do is do this. So start from this point, we can just connect to here, and then we can try to see here. So tangent, so make it tangent to this vertical one. So lock, and all good. And let's do this one, and lock, and lock. I think so. Let's have a look in 3D view. So these all these reference lines. Maybe I'll just use a wireframe WF, and I'll have a test before we create the sweeps. 700, good. 900, good. 1800, good. Okay, so now let's do the sweep. So go create, sweep, pick path, pick this one, finish, select profile, 50 by 50, finish. Okay, that's the one. Looks like, okay, we need to offset this a little bit, 25. I'm guessing which one. Let's try this one. No, negative 25. Okay, so it will be centered to this. Good. Let's continue. Create, sweep, pick path, pick this, finish, select profile, 50 by 50, and negative 25. Yeah, finish. Create another one. Create, sweep. Sorry, sorry, my daughter wake up. Just 1 sec, okay? Sorry about that. Let's continue. Create another sweep. Pick path, and select, and negative 25, and finish. Okay, now we can do this the same. Sweep, pick path, and pick this. I'll see if maybe just do it. We can try, see if we can just create one, and negative 25, finish. Doesn't work. That's fine, at least we tried. Delete, finish, and select profile, and finish. Okay, so, and then create another one. Finish, select profile, 50 by 50. Oh, sorry, forgot. We can type it here, negative 25. So now we can join them. So let me just change to HL, hidden line. So I can join them, okay, and also this. Okay, so we have some extra there. So hang on, let me just draw these, and also join these. And we need to there's some extra here, so you can see all this here, and also here. So what we can do is we can create one single void to cut all these. Okay, so let me just HH the wall so I can see these frames. So what I'm going to do is I will hang on. We need a big profile, so maybe we can go to family and create a big one. So duplicate. So I'm going to call 100 by maybe by 1 meter. Okay, double click and change this to 100. Change this one to 1 meter. And okay. So now I'm going to I'll just HH this one so I can select these reference lines easily. So create a void. Maybe we start with a sweep, because when you create a void directly, it will automatically cut any solid. It sometimes it's not good, because once a cut, it'll be hard to bring them back. So it's easier to just create a solid. Okay, so pick path, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Finish, select profile, and pick this one. So here it looks like wrong one. So maybe we just go back, change this to 100, and change this one. Oh, sorry, change W1 to 1 meter, and change W2 to 100. Okay, so that's better. So we can rotate it by 90 degrees, so it makes sure it's go outside. And because we want to cut this, so maybe need offset to the right. Not sure which one. I'll try this one. No, wrong one. Try this one. 50. Yeah. So okay. So now if I finish, so maybe it's too big, but yeah, it should be fine. And then select this one. Okay, and go find the solid here, solid void. So change this to void. And now if we do it this way, we need to manually use cut geometry. Okay, cut. I'll use cut this one and this, and select this one, and then select this, and also select this and select this void, select this, and select the void, and this. And then this one, cut this, and hell, something's not right. Cut this and this. So I think that's about it. So let's have a test. 900. Yeah, it works. 1500. Yeah, it works. And 700. Yep. Yeah, it's ugly, but it works. Okay, so maybe H2, H1 need to be higher. Oh, yeah, maybe 100. Oh no, 1 meter. Yeah, beautiful. And what's next? Type HR to bring back the wall, and we need to see here. So this is a opening on the wall. So when you place a window on a wall, so it will cut this opening. So apparently we need to edit this sketch. Okay, so we're going to delete these and then pick those reference lines. So I'm going to just check this box and type WF, so it's easier for us to find those reference lines. This one, where is it? Here. So the blue lines, they are reference line. Don't worry about the work plan of this the cut. What are they called? Opening cut. Don't worry about the plan, because it doesn't matter. Okay, so I think this is good. So finish it. Don't worry too much about resolve it. So HL. So yep. So all good. And also one last thing. Sometimes you want to have the reference plan, so you might need to dimension those. But in this exercise, in this family, I don't think we need to, have this ref as a reference plan. So maybe I'll type IC and select all these reference line, and then I'll just change this one from weak reference to not a reference. And also I type HR, and same these two reference plan we probably don't need to dimension them. So maybe all these 3 horizontal, so change them to not a reference. So when we dimension this window only, so this is the top, the bottom, the left, the right, and then the center will be snapped. Okay, so I think this is good. So now let's have a test. So I'm going to create a new project. And okay, so where's the family? Okay, load this into the project. And so first I'll just create a wall WA, a window WN, and place the window. And let's go to 3D view. Yeah, looks good. And I'll just copy this one here and duplicate, create a new type. I'll try different number, different height. 800, apply. What's going on here? Oh, okay, so it works. So you can see different width, different height, different this height, and it's not broken. HH, just yeah, you can see everything's good, looking good, and that's it. And oh, sorry, forgot. Yeah, if you want to add some glazing, should be quite easy, right? And also you can add parameters for the materials, and that's it. I will upload this family for you so you can have a play. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.